Make chores feel like less work and more fun in 2025 with these 5 easy tips. Number 5 will leave you smiling all day long. Turn up the music. When you have upbeat music playing, it makes cleaning super fun. Be sure to have an upbeat playlist ready to go whenever you need to tackle some house chores for a super fun and effective way to get cleaning done. Not to mention, it helps you move super duper fast and keeps the good vibes rolling. Next up, you want to gamify it as much as possible. You can do this by literally making up a game as you clean, or if you have no idea what game to make up, do it simple and put a timer and race against the clock. This super gamifies your cleaning and helps you to get a whole lot done in a super fast manner. Not to mention, you won't feel like you're cleaning forever because once the timer stops, you are free to stop as well. When cleaning, use your favorite fragrances in order to make it more fun. There is just something so special about using our favorite scents to clean. It makes us look forward to cleaning even more. At least it does for me, because it feels like a special treat to smell those scents while cleaning. Feel free to DIY your own and use essential oils to get those scents. Or if you feel comfortable, you can also get some all-purpose cleaners that already come pre-scented for you. There is something about cleaning and having everything smelling good that makes it even more fun. In addition, you can also wear some cute aprons to make it feel more fun as well. I am not above bribing myself, and I feel like that has made cleaning super fun. So feel free to do the same if you want a super duper fun cleaning experience. If there's ever something you don't want to do, make yourself do it by bribing yourself. Tell yourself that after this task, you will reward yourself by giving yourself this activity. Anything from coloring to watching a show, reading, or scrolling. But the point is that in order to do this thing, you must finish cleaning first. And if you still can't find enough motivation by bribing yourself, then pair cleaning with one of your favorite podcasts to get you motivated to doing. The trick is only let yourself listen to that podcast while cleaning. That way you will look forward to cleaning. But if you bribe yourself, that also super works too. Turn cleaning into a fun competition by having a cleaning dance-off. Whether you're competing against yourself or your loved ones, having a dance-off while cleaning is a super duper fun way that will keep you laughing all day long. Who can dust, mop, and wipe down surfaces with the most flair? Make a funny dance move every time you do the cleaning task to keep laughter going all day long. Not only that, it is a super effective way to clean because it'll make it fun. And when it is fun, it will surely get done. The energy and the laughter will make the tasks fly by. You can totally do this by yourself too, by making sure every move you make is sillier than the last one. But if you want even more ways to make homemaking fun, then check out this video here and I'll see you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.